Welcome to episode 5 of my Bull Put Spreads live trading series. Even though I promise to provide updates on the portfolio at least a couple of times a month, I'm back on day 2 because I want to show you how I executed the first roll on these positions. I'll walk you through the details of rolling a spread on SPY. I extended the holding period by 7 days, rolling the position out 8 days and bringing in an additional $8.01. This roll was not a new development, but part of the plan, and I want to show you exactly how it works and what I'll be doing going forward. While the roll and record keeping only took 5 minutes, I've taken the time to create a detailed video that ensures the process is clear and easy for you to follow. If you're finding this series valuable and want to support my work, I invite you to consider an alternative to the popular Buy Me a Coffee movement. Instead of a coffee, why not check out my ebook? It's packed with insights and strategies that can help make sure you have the background you need to get ready for these trades. Plus, your purchase supports me in continuing to create useful, free content like this for the community. The book is available on Amazon. Let me show you this roll and help you see how I'll be managing the portfolio. Today is Wednesday, January 22nd, and yesterday I set up this bull put spread with $200 of capital at risk, and I brought in $8.68. It expires tomorrow. Let's take a look at it in the account. Because it's expiring tomorrow, I'm going to go ahead and roll it today. These two positions make up the spread. I sold one with a strike of 589 and I bought one with a strike of 587. At the time I set it up, I received $32.34 for the one I sold, and I paid $23.66 for the contract that I bought. And today they're worth $4.50 and $3.50. Meaning that in order to close this position, I would need to pay $4.50 for the upper strike, but I could still receive $3.50 for the lower strike. They're both out of the money, so it's going to cost me $1 to close them, plus a little bit in trading fees. Here on the Thinkorswim platform, I have just clicked these two positions, the ones that we are looking at today, because they expire tomorrow. And if I wanted to close them, I could probably do it for $1, but there will be some associated trading fees. So on the review screen, I see it's going to cost me $1.67 to close them. I'm going to look out about a week and see what new position I could set up that would give me a net credit if I roll this out. So a roll out to January 29th, keeping the same strike prices, would bring me $39, and I would need to pay $32. Looking out to January 30th, I could receive $58 or $59 and would need to pay about $48. Let's take a look at what the roll would look like. By adding 1 week to the position, I could bring in $8.01 and maybe a little bit more. Rolling out to January 30th, the $589 contract still has a less than 10% chance of going in the money. So I'm going to roll out 8 days from today, which adds 7 days to the contract period, and just bring in a little bit more cash. It filled at $10, which means $8.01 has come into my account without changing the strike prices. And if you look over here at my cash available now, I have $2,590.